subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched two new affordable smartphones under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 30A and Realme Narzo 30 Pro. Among these two devices, the Realme Narzo 30 Pro is the higher variant with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset coupled with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G features a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it has ultra image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75.1 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 4th in Sword Black and Blade Silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.